Need urgent door or shutter support? UK Doors and Shutters delivers rapid response and nationwide coverage, minimizing downtime for property managers, business owners, and facilities teams across the UK. We handle bespoke repairs, new installations with free site surveys, and supply spare parts for ongoing maintenance. Our dedicated team is available during consistent support hours to keep your premises secure and operational. For immediate help, call 0800 102 6136 or submit an inquiry online for a fast, professional response. Trust UK Doors and Shutters to keep your property safe and your business running smoothly. Contact us today.